The previous video tutorial I showed you how you can make a WhatsApp button, a dynamic WhatsApp button, and when they click on it, then they go to the WhatsApp from that particular somebody subscriber that have posted on the website. So this is for lost animals, and when somebody posts, for example, the dog, they're searching for the dog. Then when somebody sees this post, then they click on it and they go to the WhatsApp from that particular person. So when you want to know how I did that, then you have to watch the other tutorial about the dynamic for WhatsApp. But in this case we are going to use the Facebook Messenger. It's basically the same thing, so it's going to be a short tutorial. And the other thing that you have to do is, of course, go to the dynamic links for Jet Engine. So when you are here, then you go into the dynamic link. So not the imager or something else, but the dynamic link. Once you have done that, then you have to prefix the URL from Facebook Messenger. So this is the Facebook Messenger prefix URL, and of course you have to customize it also with advanced custom fields. In this case we are using advanced custom fields, and we have made the fields. So when we are going to the website, let's see, this is CurioBots, but the advanced custom fields, it's in Dutch. So I've made a WhatsApp, that was yesterday, but in this case we are going to make a Facebook Messenger, and the only thing that you have to do is super easy. Make it a text and give it a variable and a field name. Don't forget to give it a name, and then you go into the single page advanced custom fields and you search the messenger. So that's the only thing that you have to do. That is very simple, and well, there's not much about it to say anything, because it's only a simple link that you have to edit. And of course when you are going to well, let's see, we are going to fluent forms, and this is the form that I've made, and I showed you guys how you can make a front-end submission, and people can pay for the front submission with PayPal or Ideal or whatever. So if you see here, then we had the WhatsApp. So this was the WhatsApp number. So it's a phone number, but we are going to add a new field, and it's going to be a text field. So general fields, it's going to be a simple text field. Then we put it in here and we give it a name. And then they have to embed their username. And no, it's not in the variables, of course. It's on the placeholder. Then we save it. Then we go into the settings and integrations, to the post feeds, and to the particular post feeds that we've made in the previous tutorials. And then we're going to add a new one. So the general fields, we've made the general fields, and it's going to be the Facebook Messenger, and of course is the field that we previously have made. So let's see where it is. Let's see, did I miss it? Here it is. Once you've done that, then you can save the form, of course. And that's the other thing that I have to do. So this is a fake account that I've made. This is another tutorial. There's nothing to do about that. But they have to get a Facebook name. So when they are going to their accounts, they have to make a Facebook name. So to the settings, and they have to get a Facebook name, and in this case this is the Facebook name. So that's the only thing. So they have to embed the Facebook name. So you have to explain that to them. Well, there is another thing that you can do when you are making this, the Facebook, when they are going to the websites. And let's see, I have all fake accounts, so I don't know if it works. Obviously I want to protect myself, so I want to delete them. So let's see if it works. I don't think it works. Well, okay. Facebook has deleted this particular account. I've been tricked. But let's see if it's working on another site. We have to do it in incognito, but I don't do it in incognito. I just do it in this way. And then when we are going, this makes no sense at all. It's just a stupid picture, but whatever. Then they go into the Facebook account. Now I didn't install it. As I told you, I protect myself, so there are all fake. But there are all fake accounts, so it doesn't work. But trust me, it works when you are doing it on your computer. Now the only thing that you have to keep in mind is that you want to have a model pop up, and this is because you want to make a pop-up for the Facebook Messenger so that the people don't leave the websites. You can of course redirect the link when you are going to the single pages. And let's see, Elementor, the page builder, and then the single page that you've made for that particular post type. So this is the particular post type. You have to edit. And then when you're going in here, then you can of course redirect it to another, or I'll open the link in another tab. Here, but it's very simple. You probably already know it. But what I prefer is that you are using a model pop-up. So that was it. As I told you, it's very simple, but maybe you can do something about it, with it. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.